drain plug. Okay.
Yeah.
The drain plug. There you go. Come on, baby. Oh boy. Oh, wow, 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 wow. There you go. Rico. Okay. Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Super tight.
Must be tight.
There you go. Come on, come on, come on. All right. All right. Nice one. There you go. Okay. I'm just gonna clean this up. Okay, let it drain.
Yeah.
Smell bad.
It's too much dirty. Huh?
Let's see.
Look that.
Wow. Ooh. Ooh. There's a lot of dirt.
Yeah.
Let it drain, let it drain. Leave it for a few minutes. I don't like the smell. I don't like the smell. Where's the drain plug? I mean, fill plug. There. I don't really like the smell.
Yeah.
I don't really like the smell. It's super stinky. Oh, let's put it in. There you go. That's fine. Perfect. Just in. Yeah. Okay, leave it like that. Come on. That's it. Just now. Oh boy. Good, good, good. Perfect.
You can see the oil side, something leaking somewhere.
Like it's probably, yeah, almost 3. Oh yeah, 3 liters.
3 liters.
3 liters, just like on the, you know. See, 3 liters.
Okay.
2, 3, 4. 3 liters, perfect. You got 3 liters,
that's
right?
The guy told.
So, ATF Honda.
And then you put the YouTube.
Yeah. Oopsie, I got a... Three liters.
This friend father
That's nice.
now is electric car,
Yeah.
and then he study about the electronic car. Sometimes he go and he's looking in the car too.
Nice.
That is good guy.
Maybe that's his best friend.
No, he study in the
Look at the difference of,
yeah.
the old one and the new one. Look at this bluish, what's this, pink, red.
His son is before study is FFU.
Who?
Sunman Pressure.
Oh,
The mechanical
yeah.
son.
Yeah.
And then he's finished. No, that guy is, I don't know, he's studying is the mechanical engineering.
Oh,
or
my
the Sunman Pressure. And then he study about the electronic car, now BCAT. BCAT is expensive,
I know.
The tuition fees, I don't know, he said the one term is 8,000 or something,
that's a
for
lot.
3 months.
Wow. So you gotta, save money for your kids. At least 50,000, so that they can finish their course.
Yeah,
Right?
50,000, I don't know, maybe more.
Yeah. Because let's say 8,000 per sem. How many sem in 2 years? Twice. So that's already 16.
No,
4 years.
is 3 years. Some is 3 years. My son is computer science almost 3 years, finished, still not finished it.
See? You gotta spend, a lot of money. All right, that's it. Let's see if there's a leak or what. Let's see. Oh my God. Nice. No leak. Nice and clean. All right, that's it.